lesson you are going to learn vocabulary about wild animals, insects and their habitats.
Let's check out some vocabulary about animals, insects and places where they live.
Vamos a aprender algo de vocabulario acerca de animales, insectos y lugares donde viven.
Shark.
Tiburón.
Eagle.
Águila.
Snake.
Víbora.
Tiger.
Tigre.
Wolf.
Lobo.
Penguins.
Pingüino.
Lizard.
Lagartija.
Scorpion.
Alacrán o escorpión.
Jellyfish.
Sardines.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Bear, not beer.
Yak.
Bee.
Ant.
Fly.
Spider.
Forest.
Island.
La S no suena.
Iceland.
La C suena como S.
Lake.
Sky.
Valley.
Mountain.
Hill.
Colina.
Field.
Flowers.
Grass.
Pasto.
Sea.
Beach.
Bitch. Beach. Bitch.
Wildlife park.
Visitor center.
Centro de visitas.
Cascades. Waterfalls.
River.
Oasis. Desert.
That's it for this lesson. See you in our next Hands on the English Flipped Classroom session.